Salut tout le monde! Well, you're not going to guess what I'm going to show you. Another waterfall! Yeah! So we are at Murray's Fall. We drove about 100 kilometers south to the Atherton Tablelands. We're in Cassowary country, and actually there is a resident cassowary living in this camping area, and he came to pay us a visit a couple of times already. We've driven a whopping 10,000 kilometers through northern Queensland, and guess what? We've never seen a cassowary in the wild before. But when you finally do spot one, don't even think about getting up close and personal. There are warning signs all over the cassowary country, and they are just not for decoration. These big birds might look like they are ready for a funny walk contest, but those legs and claws are enormous and could give you a serious makeover. So, great campsite, really love it. We're going to probably stay a couple of nights here and have a few swim. Water is fresh but refreshing, and just enjoy that magnificent waterfall. Check this out. Excited! So, what do you think? Beautiful, eh?